What's up, guys? Doing a bike check on my Yeti SB6C. It's a 2017 model. It's a, can you see? Oh, it's not. Oh no, it's not clear. It's not clear, guys. Oh, better. TURQ frame. Yeti black label bars. Rental apex stem. It's a 31.8. MT trail brakes. Yashima coded 36. Fox 36. And some alloy wheels. Not sick at all. Oh, Nikovink reverse grips. Fox transfer, Kashima. Can't see. It's a Fox transfer, Kashima. It's a SRAM X1. Cassette X01 derailleur. Oval Traverse wheels. Magura Trail calipers. That's the switch infinity. Race face, next cranks. Oh yeah, the Fox. This is the X2 float factory series. Some down tube by Rocky Guards. Tires are Minion DHF up front and Aggressor up back, 27.5. Still yet to cycle the bike to trails. Right now just PCN riding. Excited to ride this bike after my exam. Ciao.